The Ambulatory Surgery Center of Boca Raton is a multi-specialty outpatient surgery center that provides physicians and their patients with a state-of-the-art facility. We specialize in spine surgery, orthopedics, pain management, and neurosurgery procedures. Our 10,000 square foot facility has 3 ORs, allowing physicians to book more than 1 OR, a procedure room, and a spacious pre-op and PACU area. Our facility is also equipped with the latest technology, such as the Navio Robotics assisted partial knee replacement system, Joymax machine, Arthrex towers, Arthrex pumps, and more. Our team of dedicated healthcare professionals strives to provide physicians and their patients with a positive and seamless surgery center experience. For more information and to tour our facility, call us at 561-544-5501 or visit our website ascbocaraton.com.